Maybe now they can understand. It's my occupation. It's clear that my only fear of death is reincarnation. My only fear of death is reincarnation. I use my last breath to reach the whole nation. How can they call me murderer for my spoken words? This composition be my prophecy, I hope it's heard. My only fear of death is reincarnation. I use my last breath to reach the whole nation. How can they call me murderer for my spoken words? This composition is my prophecy, I hope it's heard.
Hey guys, we are back on the build again. I'm not sure how. Okay, I want to show you how far I got with the build. So let me show you guys. This is the car I was stripping. I was stripping this one. This is my old car, the one I was driving before. That's why I couldn't use the wiring. You see how bent is the wiring? Everything is bent here. It had a lot of problems. I would drive and sometimes I would see smoke coming from the dashboard. And then I would wonder what's wrong now. Then I had to park the car and check for. Usually, most of the times it bent wires. I don't know what was the problem. So this is the car, guys. The wiring it's a new spec wiring because it had control box, and this is the plug for the cluster. Even this one is a plug for the cluster, the ignition sensor, and the OBD port, and some other things. Yeah, right now the car is stripped, guys. I mean, the wheels, they are the ones that were on this car. These two wheels, and the black rim is not mine. This one is not mine. This one, and rather than that, the suspension is still here. The tail lights, I just put them here just to close the gap. I didn't want it to be. Yeah, east and west. This was my Jalopin, guys. I love this car more than anything. I named it Jalopin, so I'm not sure if I'm going to move with the name too. But I can't move with the name. Once you name something, you can't give the name to another car again. But this was my car, guys. The bumpers were small. It had small bumpers with full windows, and yeah, it was nice. The interior, when I got it, the interior was nice. Okay, it was in an accident because you can see here there's a problem here. But this happened, I think, a month before I parked the car, because my younger brother used it to go somewhere and then it got stuck there. I had to go and pull him. When I was pulling him, that's what happened. Yeah, and then on this one, gents, this is where I am. This is how far I got on the car. There's no wheels. The wheels are in this one. Okay, I still have to take them out. The grill I'm not going to use. As I said on the first video. Bumper out. What else? Lights out. Grill out. Fender out. Bonnet. I'm not sure about the bonnet, but if this can be fixed, then I think I'm going to use the very same bonnet. Even this fender is, just that it has rusts here, so that's why I don't want to use it. I think I'm not going to use this fender. I'm going to buy another one. Two fenders. I'm not sure about the bonnet, but two fenders and the grill and the bumper. They are the ones that I'm supposed to buy. The side view mirrors, I sprayed them black. Side view mirrors, I sprayed them black, and let me show you the engine bay. I painted the engine bay when the car was still, when I first got the car. When it got to me, I painted the engine bay, and this is the engine bay, guys. It has wiring now. On the last video, it didn't have wiring. It didn't have this shifter. What else didn't have? The bonnet, the bonnet cable was not there. It didn't have wipers. didn't have a, what is this, the heater box. I still need bonnet hinges. I haven't got them. Well, it's been packed for a while now, so the engine bay is state. It just needs just a clean up, then it will go back to where it was on the first video. My sunroof, guys, I tested it. It's operational. It's opening and it closes. It's just that I can tell that the roof has been. It's not flowing free, but I have to I'm sure if I can lubricate the roof, and it will. This is the interior, the fuse box and the wiring. Everything is here now. The mat, the carpet, the mat. I'm not using the seats. All 3 pieces of them I'm going to use the back seat, the 2 front seats. Excited. I'm removing them, so I still have to clean the car. I'm going to open, like, I still have to take the carpet out, wash it, and I bought the clutch pulley bracket, guys. The bracket that goes here, I bought it. I still have to install it today. The clutch pulley bracket. It was using the original clutch cable, but I decided I'm going to put the, what do you call this? The latest spec of the clutch pulley, because that one I think it's nice, man. It doesn't damage the firewall, because usually on a Golf Mach 1 the firewall is welded like this, and it doesn't look nice. I don't want to lie, man. So I'm avoiding welds. I also moved the fuel pipes. The fuel pipes are in here now. Yeah, the brake booster is the one that I got with the car. The wiring I inserted everything, like everything. The dashboard, guys, was grey and grey, like ish. I painted it black on grey. The grey here is almost the grey that was here, and then the grey that was here is the lighter grey. I'm not sure. Let me open it here and let me see this one. So the grey out on the bottom part of the dashboard is the one that was on top, and then the one that is on the inside is the one that was on the bottom part. But Ishmarachu, I'm starting to see problems with this car. I don't want to lie. I thought the shell was nice, and yes, it's nice, but I've seen problems with the car. The person who sold it to me sold it as an accident-free car. So I found out the car was on an accident before. I'm not sure how bad was the accident, but I could tell that the car is from an accident. So you robbed me. And then this is the cables, guys. I shower state before, but it's dirty now. It was cleaner than this. I'll show you the video of how it was after I washed it and sprayed it. It was cleaner. But I believe if I can wash, just a wash, there's no need to spray again. If I can just give it a wash, it will go back to. This is the wheel that was on my car, gents, on the small Power Golf. This is the wheel. It was nice. I don't want to lie. I don't know whether I liked it or maybe I don't know, but I feel like the wheel it's nice. So I was thinking of putting them back, but I'm thinking of buying value wheels now. So today I'm going to strip the car completely, like completely. Interior out, dashboard out, I want to drill the holes for the bracket. Yeah, I want to drill the holes for the bracket, and then wash the carpet. Wash the carpet, and do some other little things. I'm not sure what, but do some other little things. The full tank, guys. The full tank is there. The full tank is there. It's there. It's there. Already installed. I found that. Well, yeah, chance. I'm still on the pill. It's just that, you know, December and January is busy with the holidays and the school children opening, and there's a lot of things happening in December. So, for now, I think I'm gonna pack everything. I'm not sure for how long, but what I can do right now is the smaller things, like the gents, even the paint, man. I don't want to lie, the paint is nice, man. I forgot to talk about the paint. I don't know how, Mara. The paint, Joe. The paint is nice. Don't never mind that. I still have to wash the car, but I washed it before after I got it. The paint is nice. It's so clean. Like, it's so clean. It's just that I am the one who did this, who put the glues. And anyone who has a solution on how to remove the glue on paint. Oh, but here it goes. Anyone who has an idea of how to remove paint from, how to remove a glue from paint, please tell me. Yeah, well, I still need the lights and the bumper. Okay, this car needs a front from here. For what? I still have to buy a lot of things: the engine, the grill. I'm not sure about the bonnet, but the fender. This fender, it's not OEM. It's not OEM. This one. It's those aftermarket fenders. This is how OEM fender sounds. And then this one, aftermarket fender. It has a tinny sound, and I don't like tinny sounds on the car, so I'm going to have to buy I want original fender and original lights. And actually, I was thinking of spraying the calipers. Yeah, spray them red. Yeah, spray the calipers red. Spray the drums red. You know, guys, this car, I already, like, I can't say I sold it, you understand, because even a school child could have afforded it with the price that I put on the price. I put a very low price. It's just that there is this commotion going on here, so they want this car out of there. They say it's scrap, so I have to move it. So the only way I could move it was to sell it at a very, very, very cheap price. It has papers. It's just that it was unlicensed for a very long time, but the car had papers. I used it and I drove it almost, except the Capes and the Free State. Then it went to every province in South Africa. The two Capes and the Free State province. Those are the only two provinces it didn't go. Oh, and the KZN, it didn't also go to KZN. Yeah, but the 5 provinces of South Africa, I went there with the car, and it drives so nice. Just that the engine was very, 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 very slow. And okay, yeah, it was strong, but I don't wanna lie, it was slow at the same time. So that's why I needed okay, except for that. But the reason I needed a new car is because of I couldn't license the car, guys. I was traveling all those distances with an unlicensed car, so I didn't feel comfortable. Sometimes I would get stopped by the traffic cops, and then the next thing Then the next thing I have to actually let's not say what I did for me to survive all those traffic cops. But sometimes I had tickets. I ended up owing the traffic department something like above 15,000 because of this car. So I just had to find another option. So I found another option, guys. This is the new option. I'm going to try Smash, guys, to take you through the build with me. So, but up to so far, guys, I haven't started to do anything. The last time you saw this car, it was like this. So right now you are seeing this one. Okay, I don't know what I was. So right now, when this one, I'm going to strip it. I'm going to take out the fender, the bonnet, the bumper, the grill, the everything except the suspension, except for the dashboard. It has to go out because I still need to drill holes for the clutch bracket. The dashboard is going to go out, and what else? The carpet I still need to wash, and I need interior, guys. Nice interior. When I say nice, I mean clean. Okay, the driver's side always has a tear. There's supposed to be a tear on the driver's side, especially, not especially on every car. The driver's seat is worse than any other seat in the car. So this was not the seat that was on my car. This seat I got it with the car. I got it with this car, but I liked it. I don't know why. I wish I could have a set of these ones. Leather, not leather. Look like leather on the sides and cloth on the middle. They look nicer. I don't want to lie. And the mud flaps, they were that side. The exhaust, it was that side. Like I said, guys, I'm not that kind of a person, so I removed the nasty and the whatever that was here. So it's just that I like the Golf. So I think I'm going to leave only the Golf. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave only the Golf. So guys, if you want to see more on this build, please tell others to tell their friends and to tell everyone. Take your mom's phone, your girlfriend's phone, and your sister's phone, your younger sister's phone, and everyone's phone, your brother's phone. Take their phone. Subscribe on this channel. You'll see the build is going to go far. I'm going to go far with the build. From the last episode, the way the Golf was, it was only shell, but on this episode, okay, I was not building the car. I had to find a way to store my parts since they don't want this car in the yard anymore. I had to find a way to store my parts, and this is the only way I could store them, rather than putting them somewhere and losing the nuts and losing the bolts and all those things. So right now, I'm not saying I didn't lose anything, but most of the things, they are here. So please, guys, follow the build. Follow the build. I also have a YouTube. We're on YouTube now. I have an Instagram page. Yeah, Jeeplock Customs, and TikTok page, Jeeplock Customs. Please, guys, follow the build so that I can show you my powers. I can't say it's powers, but my skill. I love VW, guys, and I like building VWs. I'm not sure with you, but from this to that, everyone could see my reason for moving from this car. Everyone can tell, even you guys can tell that the rust on this car. Okay, it's not that bad. If you are a pedal beater, you can fix the car, because it only has rust here on this battery tray, and here. There's rust underneath on the corner there. Rather than that, the car has no rust. Yeah, there's rust on that corner there. Rather than that, the car has no rust. you can scrape the shell and take it back to bare metal, and it will be so shiny, ne? So the sun visors, I don't like them. I don't want to lie. Like, they are so dirty, man. They are so dirty. I don't want to lie. So I want new visors. And this lock uses my key. It's just that the thing is, when I found the car, I found that the car was welded here. So I don't know why anyone could weld this, and I don't know how to remove the lock from without. Like, seriously, I don't know. So, and my car was using the key. This lock is opened by the key that I'm using in this car right now. The ignition and the boot used the same key, and the door used a different key. So I lost the key for the doors since my door handles were cheap and they were broken. So I couldn't use them. So, but this is it, guys. The second part. Someone told me that I should have bought a car, because the amount I'm going to spend on this car is the very same amount I should have used to buy a Golf, because a Golf is cheaper. I told him it feels different when you build it than when you bought it. You understand? I'm not sure how everyone feels, but that's how I feel. It feels different when you bought it than when you build it. So I'm going to build this one. I want it to be nicely spec'd. I even rearranged the bumper. I took it from the screws. It's sitting nice, but I hate the fact that it has a cut here. And it has a cut here, so it means I still have to take it for repair, and I feel like it's not going to be nice if it's repaired. I like the lines to be straight and the corners. So
maybe now they can understand. It's my occupation. It's clear that my only fear of death is reincarnation. My only fear of death is reincarnation. I use my last breath to reach the whole nation. How can they call me murderer for my spoken words? This composition needs my prophecy. I hope it's heard. My only fear of death is reincarnation. I use my last breath to reach the whole nation. How can they call me murderer for my spoken words? This composition needs my prophecy. I hope it's heard.